Look what the trash regurgitated this time. An older Casablanca Four Seasons fain in quite good cosmetic condition. Flywheel is busted up. I saw this on the side of the road in a brush pile, so I dug it out and took it home. It's I need to take the blades off here before something gets screwed up. Okay, now that it fits into the frame, let's take a closer look. The flywheel has broken, which is a pretty common failure on these things, so I'll have to source another one of those. I'm not sure if these are still available or not. It's my understanding that you can get ones that will fit on the shaft and they'll work. They're just not exactly the same, which is totally fine. I don't know, the bearings actually seem to be okay on this. There's a big scratch here which is easily touched up. Other than that, considering where it came from, it's in immaculate condition. Really incredible. It's hardly even dirty. It's old enough to be made in America. And the serial number is, looks like it's C as in Charlie, Y as in yes, 24156. I don't know how to decode these. I believe you can grab the data manufacturer from that, so perhaps somebody can provide some insight for me as to how old this is. Now it is stinking IntelliTouch, which I have no liking for. But if it works, I'll leave it alone. If it has the slightest of issues, it's gone. I'll convert it to 4-speed like I did that other Panama that I found. And it didn't come with the control, although I think I have one somewhere. I think that Panama came with one, so I can probably use that one to test it, or use that one permanently if it works. Other than that, they took the light bulbs out, which is kind of comical. And it also didn't come with the canopy, which in all honesty is fine with me because I don't really like those canopies anyways, so I probably wouldn't have used it because it would have had the that hang false thing, which I just don't like. So here's the blades. They're a nice glossy white finish, pretty dirty on the other side, but probably clean up just fine. And it has the short stubby brackets, which people seem to either love or hate. I kind of like them. Now, it's a neat little fan. These shades look like they're much newer than the fan itself. You can certainly put something much more classic on there. It'll probably look a little better. Although for something newer, these are okay. Nothing objectively wrong with them. At least they have the ribbing on the bottom. There's certainly much uglier shades that exist than this. So, I'm going to try to dig out that IntelliTouch control that I have. I think I know where it is. And I'll see if we can test this out. I also have to figure out what to do with this. How to get this off here. I think I have to remove the switch housing first, which I don't really want to do. Perhaps if I set it like that, I can spin the motor up and it won't be an issue.